Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover developer menu. Let's begin. There are 3 sections. First section is code. Second section is add-ins. And third section is controls. Let's begin with first section. That is code. We can automate tasks using Visual Basics Code and Visual Basic Editor using Visual Basics option. We can view macros. Macro Security opens Macro Settings under File menu, Options tab and Trust Center settings. Next section is add-ins. We can insert add-ins, manage PowerPoint add-ins, and manage COM add-ins. Next section is controls. We can insert ActiveX controls like label, text box, spin button, command button, image, scroll bar, checkbox, option button, combo box, list box, toggle button, and more controls. We can view or modify control properties, and we can edit Visual Basic Code using View Code button. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Microsoft PowerPoint interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.